Well, here I am, off to go see the dietitian, running Mom's car, a Subaru. We only put about 500 miles on it so far. But anyway, I got a good jump start on this weight thing. Been doing it 12 days now, I think. 12, maybe 13. Been maintaining my steps above or at 10,000 per day. I'm going to up that to probably 13 to 15 soon. Yesterday I cut bread, cheese, and potatoes.
After 0.3 miles, turn right.
The only
T3 onto Maple Street.
The only taters I'll eat are the ones I'm growing. Definitely watching my intake, counting the calories.
Turn right, then.
I'm waiting for my secret weapon to show up at the house. The boys are watching diligently right now. We'll do an unveiling when that comes in. It'll be another video. But it's definitely going to aid in my goal of dropping a gazillion pounds. So we're going to stop for a second right here. And we're not going to move on until you like and subscribe. I can wait. I can wait.
Route recalculating. After 0.1 miles, turn right. CT
Did you do it?
99 onto Silas Dean Highway. Turn right.
Okay. Now we can proceed. What's that? What's outside? Let's go see. What just came? Go, go, go. What's that? What's that? Wow. Look what just showed up. Been waiting for this. My secret weapon. Welcome back, folks. In case you haven't noticed, my secret weapon just arrived. Now it's obvious, you could see what I bought. Electric bicycle. Waited a long time for this thing. And I just want to say before we open this up, talk a little bit about the company that we got this from. So Electric, I probably ordered this thing at the worst possible time I could have. With this whole Suez Canal blockage and pandemic going on and all that stuff. So everything is slowed down. So originally I ordered the original Electric bike in the black. But what happened was the shipment was delayed. And I think I talked to 4 different associates over at the Electric company. And I gotta tell you, dealing with those people was a pleasure. These guys and gals were so straightforward, so polite. It was a pleasure talking to them. I mean, of course, I didn't call up, screaming and yelling. I talked to them about the situation and trying to figure out the timeline, and they didn't beat around the bush. They told me exactly what I wanted to hear. It was slow. It was, they had to wait for some parts. A couple containers got stuck. But they were fantastic. I mean, if this all works out, I think I'm going to buy a second bike. I'm glad I went with this company. Sure, I would have liked it a month ago or 6 weeks ago, but it is what it is. So we're going to do an unboxing today. But just dealing with the company says a lot about the company. I would choose dealing with them over any other company out there right now as far as these bikes go. Granted, not knowing everybody out there, but at least this dealing I can say was fantastic. I mean, it was really, can't say enough good about them. I just hope everything is okay. You know, it did take a little while in transit to get here. Box seems to be in decent shape. There's a little bulge here. Looks like it might have been stacked a few times, whatever. But again, I can't say enough about the company. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this guy up and see what happens here. So before I get going, I mean, I call this my secret weapon, because if you're following the channel, we started running a Fitbit Charge 4. I'm tracking my calories, watching my steps. Matter of fact, I just went and saw a dietitian, and she was tickled about my regimen, what I've been doing in the last 12, 13 days. And I feel like it's a good lifestyle change, even though it's only been a few days, but all the pieces of the puzzle have been around me. I'm just putting them together now. So this here is going to help me in my goals, or meet my goals, and we're going to wait and see. So not only is this an unboxing, but this is going to lead into a first ride, and I could give you my opinion on this piece of equipment right here. So stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Share the channel. Got that? Hey, buddy. You ready to open this up? Huh? All right, so we got a little rain delay, so we'll finish the video here. We're gonna charge the battery, and then video number 2, be ready for the debut. Thanks for watching.